Hey guys, you're welcome back. We are live here with Shiba Friend Airdrop SHF. I think that's it. We're currently on the watch list of about 3.996. Okay, let's say 3 million. So we're heading towards about 4 million users. So I'm gonna add myself to it. So Shiba Friend has been added to your watch list. Make sure you set your watch list as public. Shiba Friend is doing their airdrop. They're giving out 1,000 NFTs to users who fulfill their social task. So this is the official website here. You can check out the official website shiba.friend.io. That's on the basis where you want to research about this project and know more about Shiba a friend. Then these are meme coins, meme tokens, airdrop. So you want to know how it is. The market data is not tracked yet. So that's one thing you need to know. But however, I said this is the world's first metaverse for women. So it's basically for women. You play music, play beats, androids, and there are loads of other updates. Cetic has not done their contract audit, or you want to make confirmations here. You can also then I think there are loads of stuff. I think they have an NFT marketplace because they're giving out 1,000 NFTs, so you can be able to sell these NFTs on the marketplace, most likely, or on their active social media handles. So make sure to join their social media and it says CMC Shiba Friend Shiba Metaverse. It's going to be ending 9 days from recording. That's about April 9th. So they are giving out 1,000 NFTs and about 3 million people have opted in for this particular airdrop. So what you should know is that the airdrops are usually done on a random basis from qualified applicants. So make sure your account is okay. Make sure you have good amount of followers and your account does not look like a bot account, a computer uh, run account. So calling on Shiba, I mean, wait no more. 22 cents of Shiba for you. Okay, this is the marketplace. So this basically it's 1,000 to worth $50,000. So each of these NFTs worth about $1,000. Okay, no, I think that's about $500. I think that's about $500 most likely, or $50. I think that's about $500 to $50 most likely. So all you need to do is complete the mission. Follow them on NFT, Twitter, social media handles, Telegram, Discord, YouTube. So basically, this is all you need to do. For bonus tip, try and retweet and tag as much of your friends as possible. I think that's what you need to do. It's not stated here, but and also try and be active on the platform. Then make sure your watch list is set at public so you can be verifiable. Once you're done with that, just come over here and click on join this airdrop now and complete. Submit your wallet address, MetaMask, or whichever one is comfortable with you. You are good to go. So guys, peace out, one love, you should buy keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you on future upload.